Hey everybody. So I picked up a set of these. They are the Crescent vice grips, and for a 5 piece, they are under 40 bucks. It comes with these smaller pair and 2 needle noses. Now we got the spot for the Allen screw in the bottom. I picked them up, I guess, about 3 weeks ago. And I wanted to use them some before I even did a review on them. And you can see it, they've been getting used. I wanted to crank them down with the vice grips, well, with the Allen key. Hell, I used a socket on them. And cranked them on down and used them. You see the teeth? They definitely got some, they're not crushed, they're just, you tell they've been used. They definitely got some marks and abuse on them. And that was the whole point. I wanted to see what they were. I'm going to post a link for these down the bottom. Being able to tighten them and is always a plus. Milwaukee was, for the longest time, the only set that I knew that you can actually tighten like that. And the release is nice in it. It doesn't want to snap your fingers and give you a bruise. You know, they're closed there, squeeze down. So they are nice vice grips. And not that I feel that you should use vice grips very often. It's a tool that you should use when you don't have no choice in the matter. And that's what I went with. But for under $40 on Amazon for a 5-piece set, I don't think you can go wrong. These are pretty hefty. They definitely got some weight. The tips line up nice. You see where they cut down to make it straight. Really well side-to-side play, so they are tight. Same way, very little side-to-side play. There is some, but I've seen way worse, and I've probably seen better. But there you go. I'll push it to the side. I'll do the same thing with these. And that's pushing everything it has. So it has a 1/16 of an inch playing it. But like I said, I really cranked these down to see how good they were. Make sure the screw wasn't going to strip out. The handle wasn't going to strip out. Things like that. But yeah, give them a shot. You look for a decent pair of vice grips that has a real reasonable price. These are it. I'm looking to see where it says it made from. I'm going to assume Taiwan. But you know what they say about assume. It's part of Apex tool manufacturer, but it does not say, at least not where I'm seeing, where they were made from or made at. Okay, it says Korea, my bad. But yeah, they're strong. Reasonable price, for sure. And again, not that I like vice grips, and I like using them. But every garage needs a good set of vice grips. And for the price, and what I put these through so far, they're not bad vice grips. And I will continue using them. If they break, I will let you guys know. Later, folks.